Opening hook. Hey there! Ever wondered how some tech experts seem to learn complex stuff almost overnight, while the rest of us struggle for weeks? What if I told you there are secret methods that can help you unlock rapid mastery of any tech skill, and you can start using them right now? In this video, I'm going to break down the exact strategies top pros use to learn lightning fast, so you can level up your tech skills, boost your career, or even start your own side hustle faster than you ever thought possible. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Your Name, and I'm passionate about helping you master tech and finance through smart, efficient learning. Let's dive in. 1. The myth of natural talent. Why anyone can learn fast. Before we jump into the techniques, let's bust a huge myth: the idea that only naturally gifted people can pick up tech skills quickly. That's simply not true. The truth is, rapid learning comes down to how you learn, not who you are. Experts train their brains using specific strategies that maximize retention, understanding, and application. You can do the same. So if you've ever felt stuck or slow, don't worry. It's just a matter of changing your approach. 2. The science behind rapid learning. Here's a quick science lesson. Your brain learns best with active engagement and spaced repetition. Passive reading or watching videos without interacting won't cut it. Neurologists explain this through neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire itself. The more you challenge your brain to recall and use information, the stronger these new connections become. This is why simply highlighting text or binge-watching tutorials won't make you a master. Instead, rapid learners use techniques that force them to actively retrieve and apply new knowledge. Let's look at some of these game-changing methods. 3. Technique number 1. The Feynman Technique. Named after the famous physicist Richard Feynman, this technique is a powerhouse for understanding and retention. Step 1. Learn a concept. Step 2. Explain it in simple language, as if teaching a 12-year-old. Step 3. Identify any gaps or parts you struggle to explain, and go back to the source to fill those gaps. Step 4. Refine your explanation until it's clear and simple. Why does this work? Because teaching forces you to process information deeply rather than just skimming it. Plus, simplifying forces clarity. You can't hide behind jargon when explaining simply. Try this next time you're learning a new programming language, software tool, or finance concept. Grab a notebook or a voice recorder and teach it back to yourself or a willing friend. 4. Technique number 2. Spaced repetition and flashcards. Learning isn't about cramming. Your brain needs time to consolidate memories. Spaced repetition is a method where you review information at increasing intervals, say after 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, and so on. This helps combat the infamous forgetting curve, where you lose a lot of new information quickly if you don't revisit it. Apps like Anki or Quizlet can automate this process with digital flashcards, tailored for tech and finance topics. For example, if you're trying to memorize Python syntax, essential commands, or key financial ratios, putting these in flashcards and reviewing them strategically makes a huge difference. Start with a small key set of cards. Don't overwhelm yourself. The goal is consistent, manageable practice. 5. Technique number 3. Learn by doing, build real projects. The fastest way to cement tech knowledge? Actually, apply it. Instead of just reading about how an app works or watching tutorials on algorithms, start building something, from scratch if possible. It doesn't have to be complicated. It's about using what you've learned to solve real problems. For example, if you're learning web development, create a small portfolio website or a simple to-do list app. If you're diving into blockchain, try building a basic smart contract or simulate transactions. Projects force you to troubleshoot, debug, and think critically. This active problem-solving ingrains what you learn far deeper than passive study. 6. Technique number 4. The Pomodoro Technique for Focused Learning. One of the biggest productivity killers is distraction. When you learn tech stuff, especially complex concepts or coding, long, unfocused sessions lead to burnout and poor retention. The Pomodoro technique is simple but powerful. Work for 25 minutes focused, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle 4 times, then take a longer break. This method trains your brain to focus intensely when it matters, but also to rest and reset. Over time, you'll notice improved concentration and faster learning sessions. Pair this with your project work or study sessions. You'll get more done in less time with less frustration. 7. Technique number 5. Leverage online communities and mentorship. Learning tech alone can be overwhelming. The fastest learners tap into communities to get feedback and mentorship. Places like Stack Overflow, GitHub, Reddit Tech Subs, or even Discord servers dedicated to programming or finance are gold mines. You can ask questions, see others' solutions, and share your own work. Mentors are especially valuable. They offer guidance, point out pitfalls, and hold you accountable. Don't be afraid to reach out to someone whose work you admire. Many experts love helping passionate learners. 8. Technique Sector 6. Build a learning funnel. Curate your sources. With endless info online, it's easy to waste hours on scattered or shallow content. Experts create a learning funnel by curating high-quality resources, from beginner books and courses to advanced tutorials and forums, organized to build your skills progressively. For instance, start with a beginner-friendly course on Coursera or Free Code Camp. Then supplement with YouTube deep dives and hands-on challenges on platforms like HackerRank or LeetCode. Finally, join communities to stay updated and troubleshoot. This funnel ensures no wasted effort. Each resource builds upon the last, reinforcing knowledge quickly. 9. Bonus tip: use analogies and visuals to simplify abstract concepts. Technology and finance often involve abstract, complex ideas, algorithms, market trends, blockchains. Experts often create analogies or mental models to visualize these ideas. For example, thinking of blockchain as a shared ledger or data packets as digital envelopes. Visual techniques like mind maps or flowcharts also help by turning words into images your brain processes faster. Try drawing concepts or explaining them with everyday comparisons. It makes learning more intuitive and memorable. 10. Putting it all together: how to structure your fast learning day. Here's a sample schedule to turbocharge your learning. 10 minutes, review flashcards with spaced repetition. 25 minutes, focused Pomodoro on a specific concept, e.g., a coding tutorial. 5 minutes, short break. 25 minutes, work on a mini project applying the concept. 5 minutes, short break. 15 minutes, summarize what you learned using the Feynman technique, write or speak. 15 minutes, engage with an online community, ask questions, help others, repeat daily or several times a week. Consistency beats marathon cram sessions, hands down. Wrap up and motivation. Rapid mastery isn't about magic. It's about working smarter, not harder, using proven brain science, focused learning techniques, and real-world application. The strategies I shared today are tools you can start using immediately. Whether you want to learn Python, understand DeFi, master Excel for finance, or keep pace with AI developments, these secrets will help you cut months of struggle down to weeks or even days. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on mastering tech and finance faster. Drop a comment below. What skill are you unlocking next? Thanks for watching, and remember, the next tech wizard could be you. See you in the next one. End screen CTA. If you want a free downloadable PDF summary of these learning techniques, check the link in the description. Also, check out my other videos on mastering coding and finance fast. Estimated word count: 1,750 words.